I always love that question about soft mounts versus hard mounts, right? Depending on what you're selling that day, you can make an argument for either. Soft mounts are great. They got higher G-force typically. They can go in almost all applications. They can go above basements, right? Because you don't need that foundation underneath them. The drawback is you got more parts on them. You got springs and shocks, and things are shaking a little more. So there's always a little bit more maintenance on that component of it, and typically they're a little bit more money. There's just a balance of what you're trying to achieve. We probably sell the majority of hard mounts. Again, you got to but the downside, right? You got to bolt them to the ground. They got to have the right foundation. But we've also find those seem to have longer service life and a fewer service problems. But there isn't the correct answer. It's kind of more application specific and customer kind of what they're wanting to achieve. So I think it's important as distributors that we've got the breadth and width of products that meet our customer needs and goals. And so we just work through what it is that we're trying to do. And if you got a laundromat that maybe start on part of it's on ground level and then it goes over a basement, we can solve that.